Why, hello. Here we are.
Good afternoon. How are you? We're just travelling through the beautiful Brisbane city.
Beautiful day for a drive.
Through some unknown random place.
So, question for you. Trust distributions. So we've talked about the fact that they're due by 30th of June, which is also the end of the financial year. But how is it that we can make trust distributions, make decisions about that before the financial year is even wrapped up?
That's a good question. Like, you don't even know what the final figure is until you go through the accounting process and get those figures sorted. But you can still work it out. And this is how we do it. We have a look at what the overall income of the business is, and you can get a gauge as to what that will be in ballpark terms. But also you have to have some sort of idea as to what the other incomes or the beneficiaries are as well. And then you can distribute figures to each of the beneficiaries, and then have one beneficiary, they get the balance of whatever's left over. And you can work out what's going to be the best split of that income based on that.
So interesting. So another thing with these trust distributions, so can you talk about some maybe mistakes that you might have seen with trusts that have really been quite costly for the client?
Yeah, like oftentimes an accounting practice may just do whatever they did in the previous year, and you might have a husband and wife team and they just go half straight down the line, and they do it year after year after year. Now we've actually received client information from previous years come over to us, and the trust distribution has just been made according to what was done in the past, and looking at it, no thought's been given to the other income of all the beneficiaries, whether there are potential distributions to family members as part of the trust deed that can also be taken into account. So there needs to be some thought given to the amount that each of the beneficiaries receive, not just do whatever was done in previous years, which can save you a little bit of money there as well.
A little bit of proactive thinking rather than
just don't just do what we did last year and tick the box.
Yeah, box ticking, not really ideal in a general way.
No.
Well, thank you so much for those wonderful insights.
Well, I trust that was useful.
Have a good day.